everyone! So we have a super, super, super amazing and special guest that I'm such a huge fan of. She is Instagram's most famous belly dancer. I know you guys have all seen those crazy videos. Maybe you're going to teach me?
Yeah, I'm going to teach you. I have to teach you.
We'll see how it goes. She's also very wise, I have to tell you guys, and the cutest person in the entire world. I actually ran out of here for like 2 seconds. I had to grab a product, and my sisters were like, how's Lea? And I was like, oh my God, I am so obsessed with her. She's just like the sweetest, cutest, most warm, most loving person.
Oh, no, stop.
You are. Like, she's made me want to cry a million times because she's so cute. You're just
we were about to cry.
Yeah, she's like innately cute and like sweet. And like, yeah, now I want to cry all over again.
No!
She's so cute. And so we brought her to Dubai, and you're going to come back too, right?
Whenever I can.
She's going to come back again. But today we wanted to bring her in to do a really nice makeover on her. Super simple, and it's super natural because she's so beautiful. We didn't want to take her out of her comfort zone.
Yeah.
We wanted to keep her really nice and natural, and so she doesn't need a lot.
And you added your touch.
I added a little sprinkle, literally.
A lot.
Yeah. Okay, a lot. Yeah. So I'm going to begin with Lea's face. I'm going to first start by priming her skin just because I asked her to remove all her makeup. So I want to make sure that she has a really nice amount of primer. Her skin is hydrated. You're so cute. She's like the cutest person in the world.
No.
Her cuteness does not show on camera. I feel like it does, but the level... Like she walked around the office and all of our team was like... like, we know the belly dancer on Instagram, Lea.
Oh.
So how do you say your full name on Instagram? Is it Lea Elui? How do you say it?
I say Lea. I like Lea.
Lea,
But
okay.
Lea Elui, yes.
Lea Elui. And sometimes your French accent comes out a little bit and it's so sexy.
What?
Oh my God, I wish I had that accent. So this is your first time to Dubai, right?
Yes.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Are you going to do some fun things with your mama?
I'm gonna go sandboarding. I didn't know that exists.
Just really quickly, I'm just going to apply a little bit of primer, the Matte Perfection, just basically because she gets shiny on her nose. So this will help her from getting shiny on your nose. I wish my daughter could meet you. She'd freak out.
She knows me?
Yeah?
Really?
Everybody knows you.
Knows.
Yeah. She knows you, for sure. My husband knows you. My dad, I think, knows you.
Your dad?
Wait, my dad, I wish he was here. He belly dances.
No way.
Not very good, but does. My dad.
I wish he tries.
Yeah, he's like funny. He likes to like have fun. He likes to enjoy life. So we went ahead and we shade matched Lea. She's about 250 for cheesecake. I'm gonna take a little bit of this. She does not wear a lot of makeup, and she's so beautiful. We don't want to put a lot of makeup on her, so we're gonna keep it a little bit more on the natural side. And I'm taking that cheesecake. I put a full pump. It's way too much. So we're not going to use all of this. So, okay, so this is cheesecake. I'm going to mix just a slight amount of the Overachiever. And we're going to take the shade Coconut Flakes. And we're going to put it there. And both of these are really highly pigmented. And again, Lea does not like to wear usually too much makeup. She doesn't need it. So we're going to keep it really, really nice and natural. I'm actually going to use a softer brush. Our brush that we have for it is too firm. It's going to be too heavy. So I'm going in with the Zoeva, the 126 brush, just dispersing the product all over her face, just to give me a really nice natural layer. And then I'm going to go in with my sponge and really spread that around. It's so funny because I see when you meet people all the time, everybody's like so excited. How do you feel when you see people? Like, because you look excited too.
Like my followers?
Yeah, you always look so excited too.
My followers are like my friends.
Aww.
Like I really have a friendship with them.
I can see that. But I can also see how they feel, like you're their friend also.
Yeah.
Because you have such a warm heart. It's so beautiful to see that. Like, it's a connection that you have with them. That is so amazing. So what do you love about makeup?
What I like about makeup is that you can wear less or a lot.
Mm-hmm.
I like to wear a lot just when it comes about colors.
Yeah, you do fun colors.
I love yellow.
Yeah, yellow eyeshadow. Mm-hmm. It looks so nice on you too. I saw it and I was like, oh my God. It's funny because, makeup really is something that is like so much fun to play with.
Mm-hmm.
And a lot of people like start becoming so dependent on it that like it's so funny when I used to wear makeup and then I would go out and people would see me and I wasn't wearing makeup and they'd be like, Huda, I'm like, how did you know it's me? I'm like, how did they know? I'm not wearing makeup, I'm a different person. But it's actually really healthy to not wear so much makeup sometimes, because you do become dependent.
When I have a lot of pimples, it really helps.
Yeah.
To not wear makeup.
Of course, yeah. There's actually some makeup I feel that makes acne better. Like there's some that has
like
sulfur is amazing. What's your favorite song to dance to?
I love every song. 90s, hip hop.
Yeah.
And everything. I like everything.
You do really cool things with the music. She's like... Yeah, she does it, right? Oh, it's so cool. You know what's so funny is I used to belly dance a long time ago, but then I stopped. Well, oh yeah, belly dancing is hard.
Yeah.
You have to practice.
But I think that's why I do have a little bit of abs.
Yeah, it's because you feel it, right?
Yeah. If I wouldn't belly dance, I wouldn't even work out.
But it's such a workout.
Yeah.
Right, for your core?
To the back and the abs.
That's the only reason why I want to do it with you, is I want to get your abs. I want to get back into it, but I'm not. I just want the abs. I'm lazy.
The abs.
Yeah, I just want your abs. Your abs are amazing.
No.
They are. Okay, so I'm just going to apply a little bit of concealer underneath her eyes. Actually, I'm going to wait to apply the concealer because I'm going to contour first, because we don't want to put too much makeup on her. What do you love the most? Like, what is like your favorite thing in the world? Like, dancing? Would you love to sing?
I like to sing, but I really don't know how to.
Your dancing is insane. So you're definitely no music, for sure. You know, some people just like no music.
Yeah.
Yeah, your dancing is like that, you know? Like you just get the music, the beats and everything.
All the beats.
Yeah.
I feel like if I don't get all the beats, I'm like not good. I have to remake it.
So you're so serious about it.
Yes. But I'm always having fun. If I don't have fun, I just don't post it.
I agree.
Because I want like people that watch me to have fun with me.
Yeah. I'm sure there's like so many people there like in the world who when they see your videos they become so happy. You know? Really, sometimes they have like, you know, a hard day or something or whatever is happening in their life, and then like that kind of, you know, like helps them like reset, you know, which is so great. You know, it's like the beauty of like the way like the world is now. You can touch people in like such a way. Just so amazing. We're putting a really small amount of concealer on Lea. So what's so great is the concealer is so buildable.
Like the thing?
Yeah.
Like cold?
Yeah, actually, let me show you. So you can do this. It's so nice.
Wow!
Yeah, and it feels so good. Yeah, and you can actually use it to apply too.
I need that.
Yeah, it's so great.
Do you have to put it like in like, you know,
cold?
Like
No. The material is actually called Zamac, and it stays cold. Yeah, it actually stays cold.
So cool.
Yeah, it's so amazing. I know. And it's so good, like, for concealer because it helps with the puff. You know, like, when you're tired and there's puffiness, oh my god, it's so great. It's so helpful. So I'm going to put a little bit of Easy Bake under your eyes. So this is going to be a little bit heavier, but I'm going to keep it more light for you.
It looks like I have no dark circles.
Yeah.
Like 2 minutes ago, I had like...
You don't have dark circles, trust me. Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I do.
Oh, that's really good.
I'm not really active, but I do.
Oh, you should do a lesson on YouTube.
Really?
Like a lesson, yeah, on YouTube.
Oh, like a tutorial.
Yeah,
I should.
You should. Oh my god, I will watch that. So like,
really?
Yes, yeah. You know, because I know like a lot of like kids love the dancing, but I want to see how.
It's easy.
Yeah. Oh my god, you should totally do that.
Okay, I will. I would say it's for you.
You're so cute. Okay, so I'll do your brows now. I brought 4 and 3.5. I love this. You like it too?
Mm-hmm.
It's the best,
That's
right?
the one that I use all the time.
Yeah, it's so good.
The brush is also so good.
I agree. Your brows are amazingly full. Like, you really don't need too much.
You really go very slow. And I just took the pencil like...
Because, you know, it's like detail. You know, it's like really, really detailed. You can look straight from me. Yeah, thank you. I love brows. Brows are actually so important. You know what I think is so important? Like contouring and like brows and lips. Like those really change like the shape of your face. And so like depending on like the way the makeup is, it really changes like the way, you know, you look.
And I feel like when you do your eyebrows like in a different shape, it can change everything.
So much.
And I don't know how to change it. What do I do?
But so the brows, almost everybody's brows are different. So it's important to make them the same. Like when you can make them the same, oh my gosh, the whole face changes.
Well, like here you made them like thick.
Yeah.
And I like it.
You like it?
Because when I do them like really like and very straight.
In the front, I like it light. Very light. In the front, so soft. Yeah.
Me too.
Yeah. Yeah, your brows always look good though. I always love what you do to your brows. But you know makeup. Like you play. Like I know you're playing lightly, but you're still playing with makeup. You know, when I was like 17, this is amazing from Benefit. It's like gel. It's just like amazing. Do you like it?
I love it.
You like it?
I feel like, what's her name? Cara
Delevingne? Yeah. So for eyeshadow, we're really not going to put too much. Maybe just a little shimmer on the lid. But really, really tiny, tiny bit. think I'm gonna use the nude palette. You like it?
I love it.
So I just want to use a little bit of the colors on you. Touch it.
Can I?
Yeah. Swatch it.
What? These colors are wow.
They're incredible, right? You're so cute. Oh my god, I'm so happy. You just made me so happy. I kind of want to cry.
Wow.
Don't cry. Don't cry.
No.
You're so cute. So I'm just gonna put a small amount on your lid, just tiny amount right there.
I love it.
You're so cute. Oh, I'm so happy. Really nice and light.
Wow. Wow.
I want to cry.
It's better than highlighter.
It is. I know. I want to make a highlighter out of it. I'm just gonna put a little bit of the other color in the center. And I'm gonna put a little eyeshadow around, just a tiny bit, very light color.
And it's not dark. I love it.
It's very light.
I feel like you can wear it like this kind of eyeshadow with everything.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it really nice.
Even for school.
Totally.
That's so light. I love it.
But by the way, only that by itself is perfect.
Yeah.
Look up, darling.
Up.
Yeah.
Up.
Yeah, perfect.
I've never put eyeshadow here.
Oh, I love it here. I love to put there. I like it. I like the way. I love the way it makes the eyes look. You're so cute. It makes the eyes look like it's kind of like a soft smoky, you know, like where you have like a little smoky, but it's like really soft.
When I do it, it really doesn't look like that. It looks like I have dark circles.
But if you use a light color or bronzer, even use your bronzer there. Oh my god, it's so nice. Just light. That's it.
Whoa.
Yeah. And you're so excited. Please, like, keep spreading.
I'm be excited to be with you.
Like, literally, I'm not joking. I'm trying to, like, hold back tears because you're so sweet. You are. You're so sweet. Okay, I'm gonna You're so cute. Don't cry. Please don't cry. You're so cute.
No, the makeup.
Okay, no, the makeup. The makeup. We need to save the makeup. You're so cute. I'll save it. Don't worry. I got you. Okay, I'm just going to put some individual lashes just because I gave you so much base.
Okay.
And I know you like length.
Mm-hmm.
So I just want to give you a little bit of length. It's more natural. When we do photo shoot, like for lips, we want the focus to be on the lips. Mm-hmm. Always we use these. People think it's harder, but it's easier. The only thing is you want to put it in the right place. So then you just need to like push it down. That's it. You just need to adjust it. Yeah, because you can see this eye has it. You don't need too much.
Wow.
You don't need too much. I love when she says wow. I love it so much. Sometimes even I like if a makeup artist does my makeup one time so I can see something new.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know? It's like a new perspective. So nice. These are like the first date lashes, you know? The lashes you wear on the first date when you're like being natural. That's what I like to call them. Here, nobody has any idea.
First date lashes.
Yeah.
You should have called them like that.
I know, right? I should have. They probably would have been like really popular then. But people are all scared of them because they're individual. Even me, I was scared of them first. And then
I was
said,
scared of it too.
Yeah, everybody is. They're always like, oh my gosh, no, it's too much.
Because I feel like it's so difficult to apply.
I swear it's not. Right now we're going to do the lips. So you have full lips, so you actually don't need too much, which is perfect. But let me just apply a little bit of this because it will make it a little bit more hydrated. This actually is hydrating.
It smells good.
Which one do you want to wear?
All of them.
All of them? Okay, I'm going to show you something amazing. I'm gonna put a little bit though, because we want it to not be too shimmery.
That's so pretty.
Isn't it beautiful?
It matches my eye.
Yeah! I'm just gonna make it blend a little bit now. One last thing and we're done. I just want a little bit more shimmer in the inner eye. It's so pretty right here. Just a little bit.
Oh.
So pretty.
Yes.
It really suits you too. Done. Voila.
Voila.
Yeah, voila. Yeah. Yeah, voila. Do you like it? Do you want me to change anything? Tell me, how do you feel?
I feel so good.
You feel so good? Okay. So we've completely finished the makeup. This is the final look. You guys saw it in the beginning of the video. Here it is again. And of course she is like stunning in the look. She looks beautiful as always.
Thank you.
How do you feel about the makeup?
I love it. I love it. I love the lashes, like just because it was individuals and not like a whole line, you know.
Wanted to keep you like really comfortable.
Yeah, it's really natural.
Please make sure you guys like and subscribe this video. Do you want to say anything?
Like and subscribe this video.
Please make sure you guys like and subscribe for Lea.
I hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
And that you have fun with us.
Yes, that's the most important thing.
Yes, it is.
It's the most important thing. We love you guys so much. You're
Bye.
so cute. You're so cute. Oh my god, you're so cute. You are. I want to be just like you. You're so cute. I want to be a belly dancer. Oh my god, at least you get cool in real life. Okay, I love it. No, Mona, don't do that to her. looks like she's just an insane dancer. In real life, it looks like she's not a human.
Yeah.